What is up, guys? Today I'm in the Ratchaburi province, about 2 hours outside of Bangkok, for one of my favorite automotive events. This is Giddy Truck Fest, and it's an 8-mile drag race and car meet for big rigs, tractor trailers, lorries, whatever you want to call them, and it's such a fun and unique car event. All these trucks, all of this is hand painted. Same here. You can really see once the sun hits it. Another thing that trips me out about these trucks is the amount of mirrors on these things. And for some reason, they love the Michelin Men. So I was told back in the day, the meaning behind all the Michelin Men on these trucks was you got one every time you replace your tires, obviously with a set of Michelins. So it was like a badge of honor showing how many sets of tires you've been through. But these days, they're more like a collectible, and an expensive one at that. Besides side mirrors and Michelin Man, another thing that they absolutely love here is huge exhaust tips. Let me show you. Yo, what? Oh,
I think I took a wrong turn somewhere.
Oh, what's up? It's Kyle from 1320 Video.
This is a whole different world.
And in case you think we were just trolling, we're not trolling. This is an actual exhaust. Their exhaust tip to be the size of a hot tub. If you're into cold plunges, there you go. Now that the sun is starting to set and it's getting darker, more trucks are showing up. So the thing is here in Thailand, we have certain rules when larger trucks can or cannot operate. This includes tow trucks. When I'm towing Cream Pie or my Evo around using a slide truck, they can only operate during certain hours. I called a ride. This is one of my favorite style trucks here in Thailand. These are like the old school retro trucks that you would see running the streets of even America back in the 50s and 60s. But here in Thailand, they're still operating to today. Most of them have, modern engine swaps, but it's so cool to see these old school retro trucks still working here in Thailand. Like I told you earlier, there's many different type of trucks here. This one pulling in is super interesting. It's used to haul people. It is a people hauler truck. Normally these trucks are used like if a group of people are working at a construction site or something like that, and they have to get from their working site back to their compound. That is what this is for. It's very interesting.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 25 subwoofers in the back of this thing.
Also, it's not just the exterior that's modified, the interiors of these trucks are crazy. Look at this. This is the door panel of a big rig. Like full audio system. It has a carbon fiber and leather dash, a racing seat, and then in place of the passenger seat is a giant subwoofer enclosure. It's been almost impossible to get a clean shot of this truck because it's drawn a massive crowd. I was trying to figure out why, and well, I see now. Not the fact that it has Recaro seats, like real Recaro race buckets, or carbon fiber dash, which is cool, but look at the engine bay with the powder-coated turbo and the painted frame. That is one clean truck. Oh, nice. He's gonna be the first one to make a pass here at Giddy Truck Fest. Now this is not an actual competition. It's more of a thing that they just do for fun, but it's 8 miles, no prep drag racing with big trucks. This is crazy, yo. Me and Kyle are going 3 wide in this crazy truck. fastest big rig I've ever been in my life. That kind of caught me off guard.
Amazing.
If you own like a B-swap Honda Civic and you pulled up next to a stoplight in this truck, it would gap you.
Yeah, I don't think there's gonna be any trucks beating him here.
No, this thing gets down.
I love it. Thanks, man. I appreciate it.
Thank you, brother. Thank
great.
you. Thank you.
That was great.
Okay, that truck gets down. I did not. I mean, it's a big turbo, obviously built motor. He's clearly put a lot of money in this truck. Oh, look, here comes the old school one. We gotta check this guy out. So awesome. I love this event. I truly love this event. Okay, guys, you know what we need to do? We need to go check out the custom bus. Let's go. I have to check out one of these tour buses. Let's take a tour of a tour bus. No pun intended. But dude, these things are crazy. And I have to check this out. These are basically like rolling nightclubs. Thai people love this stuff. And they are obnoxiously loud. It's a two-story, two-floor tour bus that normally has like a full-blown DJ booth and lounges. And I've even seen them before with a couple of them will have a stripper pole. But yeah, let's go downstairs, check it out. Oh my God, these things are crazy, dude. Look at this. Wow. Nice, they have YouTube Premium. So this really doesn't fit the theme of the event, but I can't help but show you guys this Toyota Hiace. I love this thing. The white on white color combo with the T37s and the big brake kit. Man, that thing is so cool. I want one of these vans in my life so bad as like a travel camper slash like mobile video editing like setup. I love these vans. They are so incredibly cool. Here's an entire row of these old school retro trucks. And this is definitely my favorite style big truck build here at Giddy Truck Fest. I love these things. It's the combination of the patina and the stamped steel and everything looking so retro. And then the crazy LED lights. I don't know, I just love these trucks. They're so like Mad Max, like doomsday badass. And again, these are working trucks. You see these things running the streets of Thailand on a daily basis. At night, this event is just a totally different vibe. Because of all the lights, this place gets crazy. And I think there's another custom tour bus over here. We definitely have to go check this thing out. I love these things. With all the LEDs and the subwoofers on the front, these things are crazy. I don't know if you can tell, but the one in the middle, the white one, the smaller truck, has like full Japanese artwork on it. It's very, very cool. So I walked past this truck earlier tonight, and I really didn't look at it that much. These larger trucks, the purpose of them is to haul cattle, mostly buffaloes up in the Isan region of Thailand. But this one in particular, almost all of the cab is carbon fiber. What the hell? Like, what's the purpose? Are you trying to make this lightweight? What? The Thai police are out here hitting on the models. More of them. put so much because 100% this video will get demonetized. So you're seeing me instead. Hi, how's it going? I know it sucks. Maybe I should make an OnlyFans account or something. I mean, really, what would a Thai car event be without a sexy car wash? It's mandatory. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace!